People are losing out on millions of dollars because of a badly designed government website. I'm talking about SAM. It's where you have to register before you can bid on federal contracts, and what used to be a fairly simple process has grown into a barrier to entry. It's a complicated maze of confusing requirements and long delays, and the result is that established government contractors keep winning more and more contracts, but other companies can't get their foot in the door. I owned a government contracting business, and when I retired, I started providing free business help. I thought I'd be tackling complicated business questions, but instead everyone kept asking me for help with SAM registration, and I've been shocked by how complicated registration has become. For example, one person I know found a contract that was perfect for his business, but after weeks of struggling with SAM, he couldn't get registered, and so he missed the deadline. He was so frustrated at losing his shot at $1 million contract that he knew would change his life. And now scammers have arrived on the scene, exploiting the confusion and taking advantage of businesses with false promises. I've heard from lots of people who have lost money to these scammers. These aren't isolated cases. Across the country, thousands of people are hitting this bureaucratic brick wall and missing out on profitable contracts. This is just wrong. Registration should be fast, free, and easy. That's why I created a step-by-step video guide to show exactly how to get registered. But I want to do more. Let's get the government to actually fix this problem and open up access to government contracts. Here's how you can help. Start by sharing your struggles using the hashtag #SimplifySam. Let's expose the human impact of this bureaucratic nightmare. Then use the sample email I've provided in the notes below, and let's demand reform from our elected representatives and the SBA. Tell them we need a simplified online form, clear guidance, more support resources, and a streamlined process so people can get signed up in days, not months. Just copy and paste the text I've provided below to send your own email. And share this video and our message. The more people we reach, the stronger our impact will be. Join me in demanding a simpler, faster registration process. Let's make our voices heard and ensure every entrepreneur gets a fair shot.